Berlin, baby.
We're here.
Let's play a game. I want to learn a fun fact. Baby, go ahead and tell us a fun fact. Give us a fun fact about Berlin.
Well, it's the greenest city in all of Europe. Has more parks and trees.
Oh yeah. Here's another fun fact for you, and this one blew my mind. Did you know Berlin is 9 times larger than Paris?
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
Crazy. We're gonna go Google some more fun facts and then we'll get back to you.
This is like the one time we actually like kind of prepared for you guys. We never do, so. Of course I have to order, you know, the Benz for him, you know.
Babe.
Baby.
Babe.
You know.
Babe.
I had to do you good.
Babe.
Okay everyone, we're gonna go check out the Berlin Wall today. We're also gonna go to one of the malls nearby.
And then we're gonna get ourselves a SIM card for our burner phone. It's always important to have a backup phone where you can put a SIM card and a local phone number just in case you need to call or get lost or use it for rideshare or anything important like that. We like to do Maya Mobile for our regular phones, and that's electronic eSIM. Bam. Easiest thing you can ever get. We'll show you more in a second. Actually, no. I'll tell you right now. So you go to mayamobile.net. This is not sponsored, by the way.
It should be, but it's not.
It should be, yeah. You guys should sponsor us, so hit us up. Anyways, you go there, you search the country that you're going to. All you have to do is purchase the gigabytes for how many days that you want it. You activate it on your network, and voila. The moment you land, you got internet no matter what country you go to, with some restrictions, but easiest thing ever.
Where are we going, baby?
We're gonna go to the Berlin Wall. So, the Berlin Wall was installed about 15 years into the Cold War. And what the Berlin Wall did is it separated a lot of the skilled workers that were living in the east side over to the west side. You know, leaving less talent in the eastern part. And it was just a huge divide, huge wall divided. And it came down in 1989. You'll still see pieces and remains scattered within the city, but the bulk majority of it is already gone. And here lies some of the remains placid in one of the plazas here in the center of Berlin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ask my baby for a piece of gum because I'm gonna add to this. Let's do it. Where's the gum?
I have some, but it's in my backpack. You're gonna have to get it. It's pretty deep in there.
So there's a lot of gum on the Berlin Wall, and what we're about to do now is go lick it.
Oh my god, don't lick it, please don't. Gross.
I actually fucking licked it. Oh, whoops.
You guys, he just literally spit on the Berlin Wall.
Oh, dude,
I'm like, I know you licked it, but that was gross.
I didn't fucking lick it. I was just playing around.
Yeah, he like actually put it.
It was just a knee-jerk reaction.
I think we have Listerine. He actually licked it, you guys. No,
give me a kiss.
No tongue kisses.
Give me tongue kisses. Hello, and it's another beautiful day in Berlin, Germany. Gorgeous outside. And then we got this one right here. What are we about to do today, baby? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
So today we're gonna go on a boat tour. I said boat. A boat tour. We're gonna see all of Germany, all of Berlin. Then we're gonna go on a bar crawl tonight.
Yeah, we're gonna do a bar crawl, we're gonna do a boat tour, we're gonna do some stuff in the middle, so you don't wanna miss this. Stay tuned, watch us, and subscribe to Stupid, baby! So last night, we made a big effort to try to wake up and stay up and go to see Solardo at Club Watergate. And we, by the grace of God, barely made it in the sense that we barely had the willpower to wake up. However, we did it, we went out, and I don't know, tell us about your first Solardo experience. So
I've been wanting to see Solardo for years. I've been talking it up, and finally he found it, and I was like, all right, let's go, I'm so excited. So we go there, and it's beautiful. Watergate is absolutely beautiful. But Solardo was playing different stuff last night.
It was more of a venue thing, but...
Yeah, it was more of a venue thing. I still love Solardo, it just wasn't what I was expecting.
Overall, we had fun.
Okay everyone, we're gonna go check out the markets here in Berlin. It looks very, very busy. A lot of people out.
It's got a Brett Michaels look.
So the best way to see Berlin is to go by boat. This is the Berlin Boat City Tour, and it's about $20 US, so it's not very much. You're gonna go on Get Your Guide, you're gonna book your tour, and then this is the boat that you're gonna be on. This is in a very, very beautiful part of Berlin. It takes you all around Berlin just to show you around through the waterways. Just like Ira was telling you guys, Berlin has the most waterways in all of Europe, so this is the best way to get around. Follow me, follow me.
Follow me, come on.
Come on, hurry.
Look at me. Really cool, actually.
I want to do it.
For 1989,
This is the Berlin Cathedral.
In this case, he got it from the Baroque church in Rome, St. Peter's Basilica. In 1944, the main dome was the fact that the palace was demolished because of asbestos.
So I'm gonna give that a 10 out of 10. What about you, baby?
Yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10.
It was a lot of scenery, a lot of things to do.
This is fucking nice.
We
really
literally
good.
just chilled, right?
Oh yeah, this is really nice.
Yeah.
You know, one of my absolute favorite grocery stores to go to when I'm in Europe is none other than Aldi's. For multiple reasons. One, the prices are so good. Two, the prices are so good. And three, you gotta use a little quarter for the shopping cart. And the prices are so good. This guy just hooked it up.
We don't really need a shopping cart, baby.
No.
So right behind me is the Berlin Cathedral, and 90 people are actually buried here. It's one of the most important dynastic burial sites. A lot of people are buried here, and in World War II it was actually destroyed. Some of it was destroyed by a liquid firebomb, and in the 80s it was rebuilt. So it's partially still being restored and rebuilt, as you can see on the right hand side here, but it is the staple of Berlin. This is how you know you're here.
Cheers. Aufbrauhaus.
It's good.
Is it?
Yeah, it's like, so I got a Sprite beer.
It's not bad, eh?
How's yours?
It's dark beer, it's good. How do you want us to pay you, brother? Yes, we can pay you.
Ready? That's cool.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now.
It literally froze, you guys.
Dude,
Yeah?
she just poured me a triple shot. I'm fucked. I'm fucking sloshed.
I want one. That was really good though. But it's cold. It is
Sometimes if you
freezing.
make jokes, you get it. Just like that, so you have it. That's Berlin for you.
Berlin was a lot of fun. We went to an ice bar last night, the Berlin Icebar, and I loved it.
Yeah, we wrapped it up with the ice bar with the Hofbrauhaus, and coming up next, we have Rome. So stay tuned for the next one.